let us discuss about JavaScript. JavaScript is a programming language used to make web pages interactive. It runs in web browsers and allows for dynamic features like form validation, animations, and real-time updates without reloading the page beyond the browser. JavaScript can also be used on servers via Node.js, making it versatile for both front-end and back-end development. It is essential for creating modern web applications and is supported by all browsers. Now, some of the topics are variables, functions, loops, arrays, and objects. Let us discuss about variables. In JavaScript, variables are containers used to store data values. You can declare variables using the keywords var, let, or constant. Each has different scoping and behavior values. Var has functional level scope. It was used before let and constant were introduced, but it is less common in modern code because of scoping issues. Next one is let. Let has block level scope. It is preferred way to declare variables that may change. Next is constant. Also has block level scope but is used for variables that should not be reassigned. Example program. The given link has provided about the program in variables. Now let us discuss about functions. Functions. In JavaScript, a function is a reusable block of code designed to perform a particular task. Functions help organize and manage code by breaking complex problems into smaller manageable pieces. Functions can take inputs, means parameters, perform operations and return a result. Function name, name of the function. Parameters, values you pass to the function. Return, a keyword used to return a value from the function. The following are the operations that are performed in functions and the description about the following operations. The link has been provided about the program using functions. Now let's discuss about what is loops in JavaScript. In JavaScript, loops are used to repeatedly execute a block of code as long as the specified condition is true. There are several types of loops in JavaScript, each suited for different scenarios. Common types of loops are in JavaScript: for loop, while loop, do while loop, for off loop, for in loop. For loop repeats a block of code as a specific number of times. While loop repeats a block of code as long as a condition is true. Do while loop execute a block of code once and then repeats the loop as long as a condition is true. For off loop iterates over elements of an iterable. For in loop iterates over the properties of an object. These are the loops and I have explained about them. Look, have a look for while, do while, for in and for off, etc. Now the important topic is one of the important topic is array. An array in JavaScript is a collection of elements stored in a specific order. Each element can be any data type including numbers, strings, objects or even, or it is also defined as an is a special variable used to store multiple values in a single variable. Each item in an array has an index starting from 0. Arrays can hold values of different types such as numbers, strings or even objects. Common array methods are these are the some of the common methods that are used in array in JavaScript. Push, add an item to the end of the array. Pop, removes the last item from the array. Shift, removes the first item from the array. Unshift, adds an item to the beginning of the array. Length returns the number of elements in an array. And other also there. Concatenate, joins various arrays into a single array. Slice, pulls a copy of a part of an array into a new array. And sort the array elements on a same conditions. And the last one in this JavaScript concept is arrays. Objects are a collection of key value pairs where each key is associated with a value. Value can be any data type including numbers, strings, arrays, function or even other objects. The object is a data structure that allows you to store and manage a collection of data key values. Each key, also known as a property, a string and each value can be in any data type including other objects, etc. And thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.